Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI for industry, which is Cogram. So here's a breakdown. Cogram is an AI assistive build for teams in the AEC industry, which is the architecture, engineering, construction, to automate meeting notes, extract key insights, and streamline project documentation. You can record meetings automatically, generate summaries, capture decisions and action items. You can also share organized output with your team, which can save hours of manual note-taking and reduce miscommunication on complex build. The pros include the accurate AI transcription, clear summary, task extraction, easy export to common format, and the better collaboration across designs and construction teams. On the downside, the quality of transcript and summaries can depend on audio clarity and jargon-heavy technical discussion. So it may need occasional edit for you to be able to get the maximum accuracy. So talking about the downside, which is the cons includes the occasional inaccuracy with specialized terminology, resilience on good audio quality, and some advanced features are blocked behind the paid plan. So in my opinion, I actually think the AI is worth using. So if you are in a architecture, engineering or construction and you want to cut down on admin work while improving clarity and documentation, so Cogram is worth using in 2025, especially for busy teams juggling meetings, revision and deliverables. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review. You're welcome.